So we are starting framing today and the weather is just horrible. You can take a look, it's pouring. So probably the wrong day to start the framing, but at least all the lumber is here and we're starting. So it's exciting. There are actually 5 people working, which is great to see. I really wish the weather would have been better. Well, we'll see how it goes. The framing is going on, the subfloor framing. They started yesterday morning. It was raining a lot, but they are ready for inspection today. So it's amazing how much progress is done in a day. If it would not be raining, it would be even better. But yeah, super excited. Let's see next step. So the sheeting is going on. The subfloor inspection is done today, and now the sheeting is. One thing that I'm worried about is this tight bond glue. Will it stick during the wet weather? So that's basically the glue that we are putting, but it's cold and it's wet and it's not very clear how well it's gonna work. So let's see. Hey guys, another day, lot of progress. So this lot we started doing the excavation for lot 2, but looks like the machine is not working, so I think it's stalled right now. But they started this morning doing digging, and looks like the back side of the soil is not too good, so we'll have to raise it up with some rocks. And for the lot 3, we actually got the lumber for first floor walls. The subfloor inspection was done on Friday. It's all done. The floors are all installed. He also marked the lines of where the walls are gonna go, so they're ready to start on Monday. But yeah, like, it's coming together. And here's all the lumber. I didn't realize how much lumber actually the first floor of the house will take. So that's it for now. We'll see more progress next week.